The most direct way to connect a CCTV camera to a PC monitor uses adapters and cables. First, identify your camera's output type. Common outputs include BNC, RCA, or HDMI. Next, determine your monitor's input type. Common inputs are VGA, DVI, HDMI, or DisplayPort. You'll likely need an adapter to convert the camera's output to match the monitor's input. For example, a BNC to HDMI converter. Connect the camera to the converter, then the converter to the monitor using the appropriate cable. Power on the camera and monitor. You may need to adjust the monitor's input source to display the camera's feed. This method provides a live view but usually lacks recording capabilities unless the camera has internal storage. While direct connection works, using a DVR or NVR is often more practical. DVRs handle analog CCTV cameras while NVRs work with IP cameras. Connect cameras to the DVR or NVR, then link the recorder to your monitor via HDMI or VGA cables. This setup provides recording, playback, and remote viewing features not available in direct connections. For IP cameras, connect to an NVR via network cable, then to a router for local network access. A laptop can also connect to the router for monitoring. HDMI and VGA cables connect the recorder to your monitor. Ensure your monitor supports the camera's resolution and refresh rate for optimal display. IP cameras can be viewed through dedicated software on your PC, even without an NVR. Use camera-specific or third-party applications to handle the video stream. Direct connections can degrade video quality, especially with high resolution or long cables. DVR/NVR setups reduce signal loss and maintain better image clarity. Choose the method that best fits your needs, considering video quality, cable length, and desired features like recording and remote access.